Sylvie the Swan. English stories by English with Miss Julia. Sylvie lived on a pristine Canadian lake. The water was clear and sparkling in the morning light. Tall mountains stood in the distance, looking majestic and strong. Sylvie loved exploring her tranquil home. One day, Sylvie decided to travel across Lake Louise. The surface of the lake was smooth and reflective. She admired the turquoise color of the water. It looked calm and peaceful. As she glided forward, the mountains appeared grand and towering. Their peaks were covered in white snow. The air felt fresh and crisp. Sylvie described the scene as breathtaking. She noticed the water was crystal clear near the shore. Small stones looked smooth and polished. The gentle waves moved in a rhythmic pattern. Everything felt serene and balanced. Sylvie saw a group of ducks swimming nearby. They looked cheerful and lively. Their movements were quick and playful. She admired their energetic behavior. The sky above was bright and radiant. Soft clouds floated slowly across the horizon. The light created a glowing reflection on the lake. Sylvie called it a dazzling view. She passed a forest with dense green trees. The leaves looked vibrant and healthy. The forest felt peaceful and quiet. It was a perfect place to rest. A cool breeze moved across the lake. The air felt refreshing and light. Small ripples formed on the water. Sylvie enjoyed the gentle movement. She saw a waterfall in the distance. The water flowed rapidly down the rocks. It looked powerful and dramatic. Sylvie described it as magnificent. Near the waterfall, the rocks were rough and uneven. Some areas looked sharp and jagged. Others were smooth and worn. Nature created interesting textures. Sylvie swam into a quiet corner of the lake. The water there was still and calm. It reflected the mountains perfectly. She called it a mirror-like surface. A family of fish swam beneath her. Their scales looked shiny and colorful. They moved gracefully through the water. Sylvie admired their elegant motion. If you are enjoying the story thus far, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel so that you may be notified of our next. The sunlight became softer in the afternoon. The colors of the lake looked deeper. The mountains seemed more dramatic. The scene felt magical. She saw a canoe moving slowly across the lake. The people inside were calm and relaxed. Their movements were steady and careful. Sylvie thought they looked peaceful. The shoreline had fine, soft sand. It felt smooth beneath her feet. The edges of the water were gentle. Everything looked welcoming. Sylvie noticed tall trees reflected in the water. The image looked symmetrical and clear. The reflection moved slightly with the waves. It created a beautiful pattern. A bird flew high above the mountains. Its wings looked wide and strong. Its movement was smooth and effortless. Sylvie admired its freedom. The lake grew quieter as evening approached. The colors became warm and golden. The sky looked soft and glowing. It felt calm and peaceful. Sylvie found a hidden part of the lake. The water was deep and mysterious. The shadows looked dark and interesting. She felt curious and excited. The mountains turned pink in the sunset light. Their colors looked soft and gentle. The lake reflected the warm tones. It created a stunning view. The air became cool and quiet at night. Stars appeared bright in the sky. The lake looked dark but peaceful. Sylvie felt safe and calm. The moonlight created a silver glow on the water. The surface looked smooth and shining. The reflections were soft and beautiful. Sylvie described it as magical. She rested near the shore for the night. The sand felt cool and soft. The sounds of the lake were gentle. It was a relaxing moment. In the morning, the lake looked fresh and bright again. The water sparkled in the sunlight. The mountains appeared clear and strong. Sylvie felt ready to explore more. She swam toward a narrow part of the lake. The water looked deep and calm. The cliffs beside her were tall and steep. They looked impressive. Sylvie saw a group of swans nearby. They looked graceful and elegant. Their movements were slow and smooth. She felt happy to see them. The lake expanded into a wide open space. The water looked endless and vast. The sky above was clear and blue. Sylvie felt free and joyful. She noticed patterns in the water's surface. The ripples looked delicate and detailed. They moved in a gentle rhythm. It was calming to watch. The forest nearby looked thick and lush. The trees created deep shadows. The colors were rich and vibrant. Sylvie admired their beauty. A gentle wind passed across the lake. It felt cool and refreshing. The water shimmered in the light. The scene felt alive. Sylvie explored every corner of the lake. Each area looked different and unique. Some places were bright, others were shaded. She loved the variety. She realized the lake was full of beauty. Every detail had its own charm. The water, mountains, and sky worked together. It created a perfect landscape. Sylvie learned many new words to describe what she saw. She used words like pristine, majestic, and tranquil. These words helped her explain the beauty. Her language became richer. She shared her discoveries with other animals. They listened with interest and excitement. They learned new ways to describe the world. Everyone enjoyed the learning. And so, Sylvie continued her journey. She explored new lakes and landscapes. She also used rich and vivid language. Her adventures never ended. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way, you may be notified of our next. Please do stay tuned for the vocabulary used in this story.